You can also specify a size here. Okay, expiration. We're going to grab those as well. And we're going to give the customer a little clue on the format that's required here. And also specify a size. Oops. Alright, one other thing, I'm typing a lot here, but I'll explain this when I get this done here. One other thing, you notice we're putting the default in here so that the customer, so that this is remembered if the customer goes from page to page and comes back to this page, they won't have to retype this information. We can do this here as well. We can do show if and then we can repeat this step for all the different kinds of cards here. And this. Okay, so let's see where we're at now. Okay, let's go to the default checkout page. For example, if the user was surfing around, they could click on checkout again. They still have their original shipping information because that was written already. And then they hit next to go to the billing information. We haven't filled this out yet, but you notice we have our a pretty well formatted step 2 for checkout, which is billing info. We could shorten up the, well, I guess we can't because there's some longer text in there. So, well, the last thing I'll do before I enter information in here is we need to do another set header for this billing information. So I'm just going to go back to the default shipping information, and it's not on there, so I need to go to, okay, here it is. Let's format this a little better so we can read it. Alright, so in the billing segment, we're setting the billing, or the shipping information. We can grab this whole set header string and drop this into the thank you page, which is the next step after entering the billing information. And we can actually just leave it as is, and this should automatically write all the billing information directly to the cart. And And then we're opening it up again, and I'm going to display it inside this order file once again. So let's see. Let's just test that out first. So we're here at the billing information. Good. I'm going to do a Visa. Do just a test number here. Followed by 15 ones, and expiration, something in the future here. I guess usually we do the 4-character year, so I'm going to change that real quick. Oops. Not there, not there. This would be, yeah, right here. Okay, so oh no, that's not right. We do the 2-character year, I believe. Okay, so alright, so let's purchase. Alright, so here we're at the thank you page, and the reason why I wanted to test this now is I can actually go back, and add something else, like let's add a tea cozy for $28. You hit checkout, it's the order totals update. We still have our shipping information in there. We proceed on, and now we have our billing information is all saved as well. However, we forgot to make that one change there, so let's do that real quick. Oops, I was already there. Okay. And we just want to put inputs around that. Oops. So then when we save this, all right, go to, okay, there we have it. All right, so we have our, so far we've gotten our shipping and billing information and credit card information set. Now everything's being set to the order file, but when we hit purchase, we just get this simple thank you page. Well, let's make this a little bit more appropriate. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of the cart summary, because we've already purchased it. We need more of a non-editable review of the cart of what was purchased. And then we also need to finalize the order. So back on the default page, notice using include files, this is the entire checkout is done on this single file that people hit called checkout.dna. And notice how we've kept the size down. If I scroll down here, by using the switch context. So all the pages on this checkout are being served in this little bit of code right here. And right now, after filling in the billing information, we're landing on the thank you page, which is this area right here. So let's